Alright guys, welcome to this Marvel Designer and ZBrush workflow together. We're gonna have this model exported from Marvel Designer to ZBrush. What we have here is basically a very simple garment. We have a vest in the middle, and we have the pants and a jacket on the outside. So let me grab everything here and right click them in the 3D viewport. I'm gonna go for quadrangulate. That's gonna convert everything into a quads. It's gonna take a while. I have done that already though. As you can see, they're now all quads. Cool. And then we just need to go ahead and export it by go to File, Export, and FBX. And I'm gonna save it here. And I'm gonna use single object. I'm gonna use a thin layer of geometry with the weld to weld the points together. And I need to use this unified UV coordinates. The UV could be better. And scale wise, it's depending on, do you have scaled it up or down when you're importing it. You compensate that by scaling it back. So I did scale my model up to actually 100 times bigger than before. So I'm gonna make it only 1% of the current size to compensate that. And let's hit OK to apply that. Okay, now back to ZBrush. I'm gonna go ahead and first load my original 2 here, right? Change the material to maybe this matte category. Okay, anyway, this is the original model. I'm gonna actually go ahead and import the FBX by go to Z plugin, import, and to ZBrush garment. Okay, now that's the garment being imported. Actually seems to be smaller for some reason. Anyway, it's going to be a new 2 here, and the body and the garment are separate, which is actually cool. I'm gonna select this body and delete it because we don't really need this guy. We just need the garment. Now back to the original model. I'm gonna go ahead and import it or insert it or append it, whatever you want to go for. Those two are basically append, create, or add the thing at the very bottom. Insert will be below the the sub tool you're using. So append here and garment. Okay, let's take a look. Where is it? Oh, it's actually over here. Apparently I'm still making it too big, so I'm gonna manually scale it down this time. Don't really need to go back. I'm gonna use R button to scale it down. Now it's gonna be 10 times smaller, so I will wait for it to snap to 0.1 and then just drag it down to match it properly on my model. Alright. Cool. Now a problem I'm seeing here is that I'm not seeing the other side of the faces. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for this display properties and turn on the double. That's gonna allow me to see the other side of the garment. Alright, that's how you import garment back to ZBrush. We're gonna stop the tutorial here, and in the next one we're gonna go ahead and explore some of the ways that we can really start detailing the garment. Okay, see you next time.